day, what? 6. We got this little guy. Hi, little guy. Where are you off to? Finally, a salamander. He's the color of your rain pack cover. He's the color of your pack cover. So we just left Cherry Knob Shelter around 10 after 8. We slept very good because we got there early and set up. We played Uno. You beat me both times, didn't you? Eli, you beat me in both times in Uno? Yeah. And I was so tired I was almost falling asleep at the end. I think we went to bed at like 8:45 or 9, I don't know. We got up at 6:30. Took our time, waited for the rain to slow down. Hanging the bear bag last night was a little harder, but we got it. There weren't that many good trees. And as you can see, it's still cloudy and drizzly. We've had this basically since Sunday night. And it's Wednesday now, I think. Right? Yeah, I think it's Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Day 6, yeah, because tomorrow's a... No, wait. Is today Wednesday? Okay. So, it's almost been a week.
Going to the highest shelter in the AT.
The highest AT shelter tonight at... What's the elevation?
Like maybe 6,200.
6,200 feet.
Yeah.
And I've been chilly at night. I slept last night in my puffy jacket with my sleeping bag hood pulled over my head. I was warm that way though. I was really warm. So I think I'm going to have to do that tonight if we're going to be up even higher.
Yeah.
And it stays chilly and cloudy like this. But Roan High Knob Shelter, we thought, is this one where we thought we might have views up there?
Yeah, because it's at the top of the mountain.
Yeah.
And
If the...
supposed to like sleep 15, 2 floors.
Oh yeah, I'm excited. So we might actually, we hope to sleep in the shelter this time. Last night's shelter was really tiny. And there were like 2 guys sleeping in there and there was no room. I was not gonna. It was so tiny and so many people trying to dry out their stuff. So it was so much better just to be in the tent. But there were, what, like 5 thru hikers there last night?
Yeah.
And then the 2 guys were section hikers, 2 older guys. But then there were like, I don't know, 5 thru hikers. Popeye was there, but some people we never met before. I don't think so. I don't think they're doing as many miles every day.
Because they kind of like go together, but they're not in the same family.
Yeah, like
It's their family.
that's their tramily. It was like Mountain Goat, Giggles. The older guy's name, not older guy, but the other guy was like Miles maybe.
Yeah. And it just doesn't, I don't think they went to go very far.
Well, they're taking their time. They probably can do that. I don't know. But yeah, so far only Popeye's been doing like the miles at the same time as us. But we all, basically all of us, like 8 of us or however many, were crowded at the picnic table and under that tiny shelter last night trying to make dinner. And they were really nice though. They made room for us to do that, and so it seems like it's trying to get lighter today, like more so than yesterday. I just hope we can... I don't mind hiking in the rain. It's just I don't want to miss too many of the views we should be able to see. So that's what we're hoping. Looks like we're going up soon here. Check you back later. I love him. He's so cute. They're like one of my favorite animals. Get it, get it. Salamander number 3. I think we're gonna see a lot today. One benefit of rain. Aw. Oh yeah, it's all dry.
Yeah, no, I bet if Charles was like out here in a suit right now, he'd
Yeah.
go under there just...
He would. That would be a good spot. I mean, you can tell it hasn't gotten wet there at all. And it's been raining for days.
And it's only wet right there because I was going like that.
Yeah. I thought you meant it went deep into like a deep cave.
Yeah.
This is a nice campsite. Into the abyss. It's like Stephen King's The Mist. What's waiting out there for us? Who knows? I can watch Eli disappear. Snack break under a rock. This is our shelter. Hi. This is a neat area. Getting warm up here. Check out those views. We're in clouds. We got a break in the rain to eat at this beautiful, beautiful view.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't. Number 9. So we have Roan High Knob Shelter in 2 miles. It's 3:20. So I think that's where we're stopping today. It's a little early, but there really isn't anywhere distinguished to camp for us. So that'll make I think close to 17.5 mile day, maybe 18. And also Roan High Knob Shelter is the highest elevation shelter on the AT. I think it's 6,600 feet. This is cool grassy area. So we probably have a bit of climbing to do here. We climbed up a little bit and now we're just going flat through this grassy area. But again, we have 2 miles. So we'll see what it looks like when we get there. have a little sun. We have some flowers. I think we're getting high enough that we're getting some sun. And it's actually warm up here. I'm also climbing up, but look how tall these trees are. It's so beautiful. No, he's not gonna go. There he goes.
Okay.
He's gonna spend the night with us.
Yeah.
This is Roan Mountain Shelter. We're gonna sleep inside there tonight so we can leave early tomorrow. It's a very pretty area. Lots of spruce. The shelter actually has a door. Right here. So our stuff's in there. Home for the night. Fire. Water. Fire. Water.